Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm Robert Storms. If you're finding me for the very first time, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also be sure to hit that bell notification so you know every time I put up a new video. I post videos daily. I want to take this time to thank each and every one of you guys for helping me get over the milestone of 10,000 subscribers. I'm right toward the end of reaching 11,000. Once I reach 11,000, I would be doing a live Q&A as well as a giveaway. Be sure to subscribe for more details. So the weekend estimates are in, and Black Panther dropped down from number 2 to number 3 this past weekend. However, there is a bright side to that. Even though Ready Player One took the number 1 spot and Tyler Perry's new movie came in number 2, Black Panther only dropped 34%, bringing in another $11 million. And the movie that beat it last week dropped down to number 5. That's what happens when you have a shitty movie, guys. It drops all the way down to number 5 in just one weekend. But not only is it significant that Black Panther only dropped 34%, this coming week, if Black Panther can stay the course, it will surpass Jurassic World and Titanic at the domestic box office. That is huge. Whenever you can either tie Titanic or surpass Titanic, that's a major feat, because Titanic still holds the record for the most consecutive weeks as number 1, which is, I believe, 12 weeks. Titanic was number 1 for 12 weeks. We will never see that ever again in the box office. But as of right now, Black Panther is only $2 million away from surpassing Jurassic World and about $9 million from tying Titanic. And I do think it will do that this coming weekend. There's nothing really big coming out this weekend besides The Quiet Place, so it's going to be kind of a small weekend. And if Black Panther can just drop another 30 to 34%, it will surpass that next Monday, I guarantee you. So even though Black Panther is slowly dropping off in the box office, it's still staying in the top 5, and it's still bringing in a nice chunk of money. And don't be surprised by the end of this that Black Panther isn't the number 3 highest grossing movie domestically of all time. So that's my little update on Black Panther. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave your comments in the comment box below. Once again, if you're finding my channel for the very first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, as always, I'm Robert Storms, and that's my opinion.